Hi everyone, meet again with me on the Arsian channel. Hope you all are always healthy. I have a new drawing project and this time I will draw one of the character in this trailer and this is the trailer for Marvel whose film will be released in cinemas. I started watching this trailer now. Yes, that's right. I am going to draw this character, Captain America, draw our lion. It turned out I was wrong. This trailer turned out to be the newest Marvel game to be released developed by Skyden New Media. This game will be an action-adventure video game where player will be controlled for character. At first I thought it was a film, but I turned out it is not. This is a video game, bro. Okay, I have finished watching the trailer. Now I will browse the internet to find the Marvelian photos. Okay, let's start drawing. I will prepare all the drawing equipment and I am going to start by drawing Trail Marine without the Captain America costume. I am going to draw with a graphite pencil. Why am I interested in drawing Marvel 1943 Rise of Hydra? Because this game looked interesting to play with the 7F Unreal Engine 5 and meta-human animated technology. This game is set in World War II, according to the trailer I watched earlier. At first, I thought it was a film, but I found out it is a game. The background is 1943 as in the title, and the only two iconic characters in this game, Captain America and Black Panther. Okay, I have finished my drawing. Drew Malloran as Steve Rogers, aka Captain America. Now I will erase my drawing with an eraser and create this Drew Malloran in Captain America custom mode. Okay, I will start drawing it. I hope you can subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment in the comment column. I hope I can develop my channel even better. Okay, I have completely finished drawing this project. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on my video. See you in my next video. Thank you and goodbye.